you ain't got my money or my bud, I'm killing you and
Lately, I have seen this trend taking over YouTube, where creators make these simple videos with an AI-generated image, a ChatGPT background, and simple conversational message between the person and ChatGPT. Take a look at this channel. It has gained over 190k subscribers with only 50 videos, and if we check their oldest video, it was uploaded only 2 months ago, which proves that these videos are actually watched a lot, and I haven't seen much tutorials about these videos on YouTube, and a few tutorials that are out there on these videos, they use the same old Leonardo AI for images, which is just awful. You can see the difference between images generated using Leonardo AI and the AI tool that I used. There's a huge difference, and all the creators out there use the same text-to-image AI tool that I will tell you today in this video, and by the end of this video you will have the complete knowledge to make these videos just like a pro. So our first step would be to generate a good story. Now pay attention, we have two options. We can either generate our own unique story, or we can use the story of an already viral video. But the problem here is if we take the story of an already viral video, it would be considered duplicate content by YouTube. And if you create your own unique story, there are many chances that due to lack of experience, your video will not get that much views. So what we will do is to mix up these two steps and create a third step. We will take story from a viral video, and then we will ask ChatGPT to make a story similar to the original story. Like this, we have used the already viral story to create our own unique story, which increases our chances of going viral. So for that, we will simply go back to that channel. We will select their most popular video, and one by one we will write all the chapters on a notepad just like this. Now we will head to ChatGPT and we will first write a prompt. Create an interesting story similar to the story that I will provide you. Keep the format same, and line by line with each line summarizing each chapter. Then we will paste the story here, and then again we will type a prompt, use simple and easy English words, and make sure each line doesn't contain more than 8 words. Like this, ChatGPT will provide us a good story, and if ChatGPT repeats the same story, again ask ChatGPT to provide me a different story. Now comes the most important step, generating our visuals. Now using Leonardo AI for images is the worst option, so we will use the best text-to-image tool out there, DALL-E 3.
Yeah. Okay. So that's your good plan. Everyone knows that DALL-E 3 is a paid tool. How are we supposed to use that?
I know you would be thinking the same, but we will use DALL-E 3 free for lifetime. Let me show you how. Go to Google and search for Bing. Click on the first link and create a simple Microsoft account. After creating an account, you will have an interface like this. Simply click on this Copilot, then simply choose this more creative option. Now let's start a new conversation. I will use this prompt to get started with our visuals. Now after that, simply copy up your first sentence and paste it here. Now just remember the 4 things you need to write in your every prompt to get consistent results: main character name, scene of the image, background location, and image style. Now we will press enter, and after a few seconds here you can see our images are ready and they look exactly like those from the videos. Now just copy up the second prompt, paste it here. Again, modify the prompt a little, and here you can see the second image is exact sequel to the first image. Just like this, generate all your images one by one. And to download the image, click on the image, then just simply click on download. Yeah, that's how simple it was. Now let's do the magic in Canva. You can use the free plan, we don't need premium assets. Select this mobile video style. Then first of all, from sides, click on the upload tab and import all images here. Then simply click on color wheel from here. Then to get ChatGPT color, simply type this number popping on the screen. That's simple. Now just go to elements and scroll down, and from the frame section, select then circular frame, reduce its size and adjust it somewhere here on the screen. Then simply, if you are on mobile, copy paste the frame or add same circular frame again, and on PC just press Ctrl+D to duplicate it and reduce and place it like this. Now again go to Upload tab and import a ChatGPT logo and a simple image you can download from Google, no big deal. Now drag the image and drop it on the circular frame like this. Do the same for ChatGPT logo. Now go to Elements again and drag and drop the square frame and adjust it like this. In your first try you can open a similar video and see how it is done. Then go to Text and add a text box and keep the font as it is. And type U and adjust it in front of the image and click on this B icon to make it bold. Then copy paste the U text and in the other text box type ChatGPT and adjust it in front of ChatGPT logo. Now simply add another text box and copy paste your first sentence in the box. and adjust it like this under you text. Now go to Elements and type pencil and drag and drop this pencil icon. Change the color into white and place it like this. Now go to Upload section and drag and drop first image on the square frame. Now everything is done. Just click on the video project and simply press Ctrl+D to duplicate the project, and as we have total 10 sentences, we will do 10 duplicates. Now we just need to change our sentence in every duplicated video and replace our image same way we did before. Just do the same process with all of the images one by one. And when all done, click between two clips and then click on this transition icon and then choose slide transition. And then from here select this slide up animation, do the same and add a transition between all the clips. And if you want to reduce the size of each clip, just drag the clips like this to reduce the timeline. And we are done here. Simply export the video. And about that special background music used in these video, its name is Ladyfinger, Herb Alpert, and the Tijuana Brass. You can use the music while uploading video on YouTube. For now, I will use random music in the video. It was good, but to create unique videos like these on your own, you need to master editing, and for that you can click on the video popping on the screen right now to learn advanced video editing in few minutes, and it's free.